DIY Builds in Texas. My name is Phil, your host, and Duke is around here somewhere. He's a co-host. Anyway, this week we're featuring a Buffalo Bills box that I did for one of my clients. And this came out really good, two-tone paint job. It was a lot of work to paint this thing. I think it came out really good. We painted the speaker grills blue, the box and the body red, the handle, and the latches are blue. We got the Buffalo Bills chrome flames here on the side here. And we have a radio on top, FM radio with Bluetooth. And of course we have the USB ports and the voltage gauge there. We've got some light up LED switches. And we'll turn this around. You can see the matching handles there. On the back here we got a big old Buffalo Bills logo for the Bills, and of course there's the antenna for the FM radio. And as you spin this around here, this is the charging port right here. This has a lithium-ion battery on the inside, and of course more flames here. And I'm not going to show you the inside because you guys have all seen them before, the way they look. They're all pretty much the same. Got the amplifier and the battery and everything. I did something a little different though. Put the charger on the side instead of on the back, because I kind of like the logo to kind of stand up by itself there. But it looks really good. It's got a really good sound to it. And so you guys want to check this out. And if you guys decide to do a paint job like this, I will give y'all some tips here. This is not easy to do. It takes a lot of preparation. You've seen my other videos where you need to prep the surface with a Scotch-Brite pad and really give it some elbow grease. And you got to do these speaker grills too, because they are plastic. And what I do is I screw my speaker grills down to a piece of cardboard and go ahead and paint them like that. But before you paint anything, you need to, after you use your Scotch-Brite pad and you get tack cloth, clean it all off, you want to go ahead and hit it with some adhesive promoter. And what that's going to do is, it's like glue for paint. So you spray it on there, let it sit for about 10 minutes. The alcohol in it's going to dry out and dry away, and that's going to leave the sticky residue for the paint to stick. And I suggest putting on white primer as your first coat, especially if you have a dark colored box, because it's going to make the color stand out a whole lot better. Let that dry for at least 24 hours. And then once you do that, go ahead and lay down your color coat and let that sit. Do not touch it for 48 hours, because the paint, it will still be wet underneath even though it might be dry to the touch. Now the way I do it is I always do the handle and the latches first. That way I'm masking off the body with no paint on it. And then go ahead and once you get all that done, let this dry for 48 hours, the handle and latches. And then go ahead and mask them off and do everything else. But also go ahead and drill all your holes before you paint, because in case you miss something and you slip, you might cut into the paint. And also you don't want to break the paint seal once you've got it completely painted. So anyway, I think this came out pretty good. Like I said, I like the Buffalo Bills flames there, the big Buffalo Bills symbol on the back. I think it looks really cool. And like I said, we got the matching blue trim right here on the back. And let's go ahead and fire this thing up. A little Michael Jackson for my client. That's what he likes. And let's see how this thing sounds. Thriller. That's one of the best songs that Michael Jackson ever made. Fuzz there from my Black Blue gun. You is. That is the Buffalo Bills boom box that I did. This is the second one I've actually done with the speakers in the front, and I think it sounds really, really good. It looks great with the LEDs, the blue and red, the two-tone, and I think it came out really, really good. So, guys, leave me a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think, and as always, check me out on Facebook. I have a Facebook page for people that just like to build things, or if you're a builder yourself, or you want to learn more about how to get one of these boxes that I make, just look me up at I Love All Things Radio there, and it should be right there at the bottom of the screen or somewhere on the screen. And thanks again for watching, guys. New video every week, so please subscribe to my channel. I was out of town this weekend, that's why this one's going up on a Monday night into Tuesday. But I try to do my best to get my videos out. Got some big projects coming up. Got an Air Force box coming up, Taylor Swift box, and we're also going to be working on the big Mega Boom box hopefully by the end of the month. So stay tuned for that. So thanks everybody. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you very, very much to my subscribers. And if you haven't, hey, press that little subscribe button you see right there, and watch out for more videos. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask me, but it's easier for me to answer questions on the Facebook page instead of on YouTube. So look up I Love All Things Radio, request to join, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have, help you build your own box, or if you want me to build one for you, if you have something in mind, I'll do the best I can. So y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next week.